Chamath Palihapitiya made himself one of the greatest investors in the world. Chamath plans to overrule Tesla with his upcoming energy business. In today's video, I will tell you what Chamath is referring to, and I will show you why Chamath believes that Tesla's trillion-dollar company will go south. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. Now, a lot of us think that Tesla is only a car company, but some of us know that Tesla is related to the energy business. The price of Tesla stocks today will predict its future in the car market. Now, the same with Tesla a few years ago with the automobile market. Many people still don't see the opportunity with Tesla Energy. Right now, the Tesla energy business is quite small, the same as Tesla's car business during the 2010s. Now, Tesla has gained some unlimited cash with these valuations. Now, the recent moves shows that Tesla's energy business will be about to grow, and when it grows, it will grow fast. Chamath talks about this during his latest interview on CNBC. Traditional energy will be disrupted just like how Tesla disrupted the car market.
I think the reality is that Tesla is a distributed energy business, right? They are figuring out how to harness energy, how to store it, and then how to use it in a way to allow humans to be productive.
Tesla's invention in the car market is very impressive, but the car market is a much smaller industry than the utility industry. Now, I will show you some statistics if you don't believe me. The automobile industry in the US in 2021 is estimated to be worth $80 billion. Now, $80 billion is not something to look down, but that is way too small compared to the utility business. In 2021, the utility industry in the US is worth $800 billion. Now, this is the industry that will be warped. Now, this industry has created the world's wealthiest people and the wealthiest company in the world. In 2018, Saudi Aramco had a revenue of over $400 billion, and the Royal Dutch Shell gained over $390 billion, while the China National Petroleum Corporation had gained about $390 billion. Now, let's remember, John D. Rockefeller had a net worth of $418 billion, and when adjusted with inflation. Now, we can consider Elon Musk as the modern-day Rockefeller. Now, Rockefeller gains a lot of power because of the railroad industry, which helps him transport oil from place to place. Now, Elon is thinking beyond this by dominating the transportation industry. These include rockets of his SpaceX company, Tesla's autonomous driving vehicle, Boring Company's autonomous transport, and a rumored electric airplane. Now, Tesla's massive capital base will allow them to speed up research and development for their energy business. Some of the people call them big boy business. Elon thinks about the long term. Elon thinks that Tesla Energy will be the same as his automotive business. Tesla's energy business will be a major weapon against the traditional energy business. The same with the EV revolution. Now, there are some noticeable similarities. If the traditional companies don't revolutionize and adopt solar technology, then those companies will have to go bankrupt in the long run.
I think long-term Tesla Energy will be of roughly the same size as Tesla Automotive.
Now, let's take a look at Tesla's plan to rule the energy business and recent developments in the industry. In 2016, Tesla acquired Solar City, and many people are waiting for Tesla Energy to up its game. But this was warped by the crazy ramp-up of the Model 3 in 2019. Elon Musk decided forcibly to transfer some of its solar workers to the Model 3 production. Elon said that if he hadn't done this, Tesla might go bankrupt. Now, if I did not take everyone off the solar and focus them on the Model 3 program to the detriment of solar, then Tesla would have gone bankrupt. So I took everyone from solar and said, instead of working on solar, you need to work on the Model 3 program. And as a result, solar suffered as you would expect. After Elon focuses on developing his own automotive business, Elon is now focusing on both automobile and energy space. From an investor's point of view, it is safe to say that solar is the future. The prices of solar panels continue to go south. The same with the EV revolution. The evidence is when Tesla dropped its price on its solar panel in June of 2020, and then again in July of 2020. Now in September of 2020, Tesla cuts its solar roof price in preparation for its expansion. The solar roof is a roof built out of solar panel devices. The design of its solar roof is quite impressive, and it is said to be cheaper than a premium roof with solar panels. Now after Tesla's solar panel price cuts, it is safe to say that Elon Musk focuses on Tesla's rapid solar expansion. Tesla said that the average system size is now 33% cheaper than the industry average. It is also ensured that the addition of its lowest price guarantee policy. It made Tesla's solar sales increase rapidly. In the third quarter of 2020, Tesla's solar deployment doubled to 57 megawatts per hour compared to the last quarter. Solar roof sales have tripled rapidly. Elon Musk is excited about this. Elon Musk said, "I think a future where we've got beautiful roofs generating energy that is a tough and resilient and better in every way than a regular roof and alive with energy. That's the future we want." Solar roof is a killer product. This will become obvious in 2021. On January 5, 2021, Tesla is looking for dozens of solar roof installers in different places like Arizona, California, Texas, Florida, and many more. Tesla also said that they are now also partnering with other companies in installing solar roof tiles in order to do it faster. Now, we can say that the solar roof is on its way to revolutionizing itself in the solar industry. Tesla has become the face of solar panels because of its recent price cuts and expansion, but this is not the only industry that is making big progress. The Tesla Megapack is increasingly becoming the flagship of the stationary energy storage battery for energy companies. Tesla Megapack is a large battery system that helps energy companies to store energy when high demand occurs. Now, traditionally, peaker power plant used to create energy during times of high demands. This power plant is very inefficient and also emits a large amount of carbon. Tesla is planning to replace this power plant with its Megapack battery system, where it holds energy in times of low demand, then sells that energy during high demands. Now, when you look at this chart, there is a time of the day that has low demand for energy, and that is called the valley. Around this time, energy is cheap, which enables energy companies to buy and fill out Tesla Megapack and sell them during energy and morning peak. Tesla Megapack is a buy low, sell high energy storage. Also, this can be done automatically with the software that Tesla develops, which is called AutoBidder. Tesla Megapack has gained some fame in the energy industry. Tesla has partnered with many companies with this project like PG&E and Hawaiian Electric. Now, during the third quarter of 2020, the deployment of the Tesla Megapack significantly increased, which is similar to solar panels and EV. There is guaranteed use of the Tesla Megapack in the industry. Also, a home size of the Megapack, that is the Tesla Powerwall, has also seen some major success for the company. Chamath is betting on these kinds of technology. Institutional investors don't seem to see the potential of Tesla Megapack. As an investor, we can take advantage of this and put a bet on these kinds of technology. This technology and innovation can overrule Tesla's automobile sector. Now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.